Welcome back to Video Service Information, where we break down real-world mechanical failures and show you what really goes wrong inside today's engines. Today we have a 2020 Ram 2500 Bighorn in the shop. Customer complaint: engine is knocking. So I start the truck up and immediately, and you can hear it. A deep internal metallic knock, not injectors, not lifters, not an exhaust leak. This is coming from inside the engine. Now here's where it gets interesting. Chrysler released a star case S229202. It tells technicians, if you suspect internal engine damage, remove the oil control valve for the VVT system, inspect the filter screens. If you find metal debris, engine replacement is required, not recommended, not optional, required. So I pull the oil control valve, and guess what? Yeah, metal, everywhere. This isn't lightware. This is bearing material or camshaft material that is circulated through the oil passages. And here's the smoking gun. Take a look at this camshaft. See all that metal pitting? The scoring, the flaking? That's the valve train self-destructing. Based on the star case and what I found, this engine is done. No flush, no partial repair, no top-end rebuild. Full engine replacement is the only approved fix.